Have you ever wondered if time is truly as constant as it seems? What if I told you that time itself can stretch and bend like a rubber band? That time slows down under the force of gravity? Gravity is not just about apples falling from trees or keeping us grounded. Gravity can warp the very fabric of time. Today we're going on a journey from your backyard to the edge of a black hole to uncover how gravity affects time and how it changes everything we think we know about the universe. Over 100 years ago, Albert Einstein shattered our understanding of time. Before him, we believed time ticked away like a metronome, steady and unchanging, no matter where you were. But Einstein discovered something revolutionary. Time is not an absolute constant. Imagine this, two identical clocks. One sits here in your cozy living room. The other is placed at the base of a massive mountain where gravity pulls just a little bit stronger. Over time, the clock at the mountain's base ticks slower. It seems impossible. Yet this effect, called time dilation, has been proven over and over. But how is this possible? How does gravity mess with time? Hold on to that question, because the answer will blow your mind. To understand how gravity slows down time, we need to talk about Einstein's general theory of relativity. Einstein showed that space and time are not separate. They're connected into what we call space-time. Picture space-time like a stretched rubber sheet. When you place something heavy, like the Earth or a star, on the sheet, it bends. That bending, that's gravity. But here's the twist. When gravity bends space, it bends time too. Near a massive object, time stretches and slows down, almost as if the universe itself is moving in slow motion. Now, what happens when you take this effect to the extreme? Enter the black hole. A black hole is so massive, with gravity so strong, that even light cannot escape it. But it doesn't just trap light, it crushes time itself. Imagine this, you're an astronaut floating toward a black hole. From your point of view, everything seems normal. Your clock ticks away. But to someone watching you from afar, maybe your crewmates on the spaceship, your time appears to slow down. Tick-tock, slower and slower. At the edge of the black hole, called the event horizon, time almost stops. To someone watching from far away, you would look frozen in time. Isn't that incredible? A single object, a black hole, can distort time to such an extent that it almost ceases to exist. But what does this mean for us? Does time really stop at a black hole? And could we use this time-warping effect one day? This isn't just science fiction. The effect of gravity on time, no matter how tiny, is something we use every single day. Take GPS systems. GPS satellites orbit far above the Earth, where gravity is weaker. This means time on those satellites ticks slightly faster than it does here on Earth. The difference? Mere billionths of a second. But those tiny changes add up. Without correcting for time dilation, your GPS would be off by miles. Imagine trying to meet your friends and ending up in the wrong city because your GPS didn't account for gravity's effect on time. Thankfully, scientists have our backs. Now, here's where things get really exciting. If gravity can slow down time, could we use this effect to travel into the future? In theory, yes. Time dilation isn't just caused by gravity. It also happens when you move at extremely high speeds, close to the speed of light. If you flew on a spaceship traveling near light speed, time for you would slow down compared to people on Earth. When you returned, you might have aged only a few years, while decades passed here. Think about it. The laws of physics allow us to move forward in time. The faster we go, or the stronger the gravity, the slower time flows for us. What could humanity achieve if we mastered time? Could we one day explore the far reaches of the universe while time slowed for us? The truth is, time is precious. Whether we're floating near a black hole or standing in our backyards, time never stops for us. Gravity might stretch time or slow it down, but for us, it keeps moving forward, 1 second at a time. The more we understand time's mysteries, the more we realize how valuable every moment is. No matter where you are in the universe, what matters most is how you spend your time. So, does gravity really slow down time? Yes. And it's not just a fascinating scientific fact, it's a reminder of how vast, mysterious, and beautiful our universe is. If you enjoyed this journey through time and gravity, don't stop here. There's so much more to explore about black holes, relativity, and the cosmos. What other mysteries of the universe would you like us to uncover? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.